Hello class, today I'm going to reiterate how to use arrays and number bonds to multiply. Okay, so starting with the top, I have two equations on my paper here. We're going to start with the top. Okay, here I have 6 times 3, but remember, we don't say 6 times 3, we say that this is 6 groups of 3, right? We can also label this as 6 rows of 3. And then in unit form, we have 6 threes for my people who want to use repeated addition. Okay, so now I'm going to make an array. I should have 6 rows with 3 in each row. So I'm going to do that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many should I have in each one of these rows? 3. So there's my 3 in the first row. 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Now I can better take a look at my array. I should have 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just to identify those rows, here's 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows, and then 6 rows. And there should be 1, 2, 3 inside each one of those rows. Okay? So now you just count how many circles you have, and if I do that, I will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I will have 18 total as my answer to 6 times 3. Let's try with the number bond. Now you can use number bond both ways. Remember, number bonds are just like part whole. But in this case, you're going to take the number of groups you have and use that as the parts. Okay? So here I have my total, or my whole. And how many parts do I want to do? If I look back at my equation, I can do 6 groups of 3. So I'm going to draw 6 groups. That's how many parts I'll have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's the size of each one of my parts? By looking at my equation. Remember, 6 makes the groups, 3 makes the size. So what number goes inside of each one of my groups? 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we simply just use skip counting to figure out what my answer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so I know my total is 18. That is how you use a number bond to solve this problem. So I know that 6 times 3 will equal to 18, or 6 groups of 3 will equal to 18. Now the question becomes, can I do 3 groups of 6? And the answer is yes. You will get the exact same answer. Let's try again with a little bit of a harder problem. Here I have 7 times 6. Okay? We also will call this 7 groups of 6. Okay? We can also call this 7 rows of 6. Or 7 sixes. Right? So there are several different ways that you could call this problem or label this problem. All right, let's start with an array. Remember, you should have 7 rows with 6 in each. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I should have 6 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to do this for each and every one of them to where you have 6, 2, 3, 4, 5 inside of each. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Okay. So now let's identify my rows. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I have 7. And inside of each one of those, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. And my last step would just be to simply count how many bubbles or counters I have on this visual. Okay, so I have 6 at the top, and I can use skip counting. So I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So I know that in this case, my total will be 42. Okay? Let's try with a number bond. Remember, with a number bond, I'm simply just going to draw my total box. Do that here. And how many groups, which means parts, should I have again by looking at my equation? I should have 7. So I'm going to do that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. What will be the size of each one of my parts? And in this case, it'll be 6. So this would be 6 in each part. And the last step will be just to skip count. Now, if you don't really if it's not feasible for you to skip count in your head, use visuals as well. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm just drawing 6 dots or 6 counters on each one. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. So again, my answer here is 42. That will be my whole in my number bond. So you just use skip counting and you'll pretty much be good at getting the answer when you're using this to multiply. And this is how you use an array and a number bond to do both. So again, I'm going to label this for you. So these are called number bonds. And then these are called arrays. Okay? And these are 1 or 2 strategies that you can use to help you with your problems in class. Thank you.